is a spacious living and dining area. First on this side is your kitchen space. As we enter, you can see this is your largest master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Atlantis by Dream Developers located in Kalyan West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, beside which is the actual land parcel. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project and I will show you the actual land parcel, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3 acres that has 2 towers, 1 residential and 1 commercial. Talking about the residential tower, it has ground plus 45 story having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also Jodi options are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, pet park, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Vasantwali D-Mart, Khadakpara, Kalyan West, from where D-Mart is at a distance of 100 meters, Kalyan railway station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, Ring Road is at a distance of 1 minute, Bhivanti Highway is at a distance of 2 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing at the 3 BHK of Dream Atlantis. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1414 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can see your living is very spacious to place your sofas, center table and customize your TV unit. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony attached to your living. You can easily place your swings, tea tables and tea chairs. This is a running balcony that is connected to your kitchen. Moving forward, this over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom. First, on this side is your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. Also, besides one platform, you have space provided to place your refrigerator where you can easily fit a double door fridge. In the kitchen as well, you will be getting full French windows that, as I mentioned, is attached to your running balcony from the living room. And opposite to your kitchen is an extra utility space that you can customize by your choice. Beside to which is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also attached to your common washroom is a dry balcony where you can place your washing machine. Diagonally opposite to your common washroom is a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see your bedroom is very spacious. You will have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner and you will be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Besides your common washroom is your first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner. You will have walking space even after placing all your furniture, and in this master bedroom is a very spacious balcony. You can see this balcony is very spacious and this is a L-shaped balcony, so you also have space in this corner. Moving forward, in this corner is your attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now let me tell you what does Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tools, we give you actual location tools, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see this is your largest master bedroom where you can place your king size bed, your side tables, you can customize your wardrobe, you can also make a seating corner if you wish. You will have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture, and attached to this master bedroom as well, you have a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and also place swings if you want. Also, this is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And one of the unique part of the project is that you have an extra utility balcony attached to this master washroom as well. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Atlantis. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Atlantis by Dream Developers located in Kalyan West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.